All right, 2 month cheap cheddar.
I mean, that's aged. That's legit aged.
Yep.
Cheese right there, dude.
You want to try some?
Yes, please.
All right, I'm gonna farmhouseless instead of farmhouse. Cheddar cheese.
Farmhouseless.
Cheddar cheese. Yeah.
That's great, dude.
Farmhouseless cheddar cheese.
This is what's up.
I just want to.
Wow. It's sharp in the beginning, but it quickly actually turns like fruity for me. That's really quite special.
In the winter
Were
time,
you feeding them fruit? That was like
no. There's sometimes their milk just tastes different. I mean, it's constantly tasting a little bit different, but sometimes it tastes totally different. It's like, wow, what did you eat?
Good sheep, you like the sunglasses, huh? You look so cool. Is that weird? JC. Good sheep.
I'll get him off you. Oh, it reminds me of when she gets a paper bag stuck on her head.
Oh my god.
Holy shit. Mike got it done. Look at this. I just hung this fruit dryer. It happens to be the perfect height. That is so cool. I'm gonna try. I designed this wagon to be a felting mold. So I just break up the wool here in my lap. And sometimes I need to close the door. Sometimes I need to hang a curtain to keep the wind down. This is a mobile felting studio. Got my vest there. Pants on. Got my gun strap. I'm just joking. I'm serious about it. Felted wool pants, felted vest. You're such a good sheep. Oh my goodness. Come over, Jimmy Lovin. Oh yeah, you're good. Yeah. My sheep are still getting acorns from last year. It's May. Mid-May. I got the wagon cover on. Yes. There's my greens. I beat you guys to it. This is the best dandelion. It's like a freaking kale plant.
He's excited. Yeah, I just sheared him. You excited, Willie? Are you excited? Good boy, Willie. You can't ram me. I'm out of your danger zone. Good boy, Willie.
I've been making my cheeses out of these little molds, but when I age them to be 6 months at least aged, they end up being like really small. Stepping it up to this size of a cheese press back here, so it'll be making pucks about 6 inches in diameter by, I don't know, a couple inches thick at 6 months. All right, smell it. And if I can smell it, that means that flavor is escaping. Oh my goodness. This looks amazing. Ha ha ha. Potatoes, wild parsley, wild garlic, bulbs, and my 3 different types of my sheep's very aged cheese. This is my ram turning the wagon on a dime. He has no problem. We got new 24-inch bicycle wheels. Hubs are way better than those wagon, just cart wheels, cheap ones. Good boy. All right, we're work trading in Talent, Oregon to stay on this land and to simply be on the land. We don't bother them try not to bother them for anything. No electricity, no water, anything. Here is some water on the edge of their property, and this is where I've been getting our water. I love this little shower. I've had a 3-gallon version of it, and it was way bigger than was necessary for just taking showers out of. And it was hard to carry. And it took a lot longer to heat up, either by fire or out in the sun. It took like 3 times longer to heat up than this 1 gallon. It's supposed to be 1 gallon, but it's like a gallon and a quarter, which ends up being perfect for 1 shower. Some oats and mixing in a little honey. And it's only been 4 hours since I milked JC last. Look at that. Alright, thank you, JC. Yeah. Good sheep. I'm gonna put the lid on.